हेलो भाई।
Hey, hi, hello. Good evening, Shank.
गुड इवनिंग में गुड मॉर्निंग बोल रहा
Hey,
हूँ।
Shank. Already we are streaming live, ठीक है?
ओके 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 थैंक यू भाई फॉर
हाँ,
लेटिंग मी
तो
नो।
पहले बोल देता हूँ, नहीं तो भाई उल्टा सीधा कुछ बोल देगा ना, पब्लिक ढूंढ ढूंढ के मारेगी.
नहीं 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 सॉरी सॉरी।
Okay, okay. So your video, Shank, video को थोड़ा on
या
करो.
भाई जस्ट आई वाज जस्ट रीनेमिंग माय नेम भाई।
Okay,
ये
okay.
तो
ठीक
वो
है.
वाला नेम आ जाता भाई दैट्स
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, fine. So already we are streaming live. So I'm sharing it into our WhatsApp group. So Shank, wherever you have your own area, so we are live. Okay. So in your places, you can share this as well. Okay.
भाई माय स्क्रीन लुक्स गुड नाउ।
क्या looks good? अरे
माय स्क्रीन
अरे गजब लग रहा है भाई. Good नहीं यार. Amazing. Your sound looking amazing, man.
अरे भाई
Okay.
थैंक यू भाई।
Yes, yes, yes. So I'm just sharing it over. Okay, good
या
evening,
भाई
everybody. Good evening. Today is the last day. So we were doing a 5-day run basically. Okay, Monday to Friday, coming 9:30. I'm trying to share some insights from different dimensions. Okay. So let me first do a quick share, and after that we'll get started with the topic for the day, everyone. Okay, just 1 second. Good evening, good evening, good evening. Nice to see all you people available in the house. Okay, so today we have invited Shank with us. Okay. Yes, 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 yes. Okay. Let us go. Let us go, everybody. Here we go. So we are sharing it over. Ta 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 ta. One. Just give us a minute, guys. Hold on with us. Two, three, four. ठीक है. Fine, 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 team. Okay, so Shank, we are ready in here.
कैन आई
Now
स्टार्ट भाई?
we'll get started. Okay, so everybody, so good to see. Good evening, everyone. Today is the last day of a 5-day program, team. Yes, last day of our 5-day program. The time right now is 9:35 p.m. Yes, it is. Okay, and we were conducting a sequence. Okay, so a sequence of 5-day program, and we invited some of our previous batch members. Okay, so let me quickly just go through it. Okay, so it was a 5-day program. Day one, we invited Rahul Mishra. Okay, and the topic which he took, it was on 4th of Jan. The topic was develop growth mindset. Okay, so nothing but it's all what you keep in your brain, that's what will reflect in the outer world. So if you stay weak inside, your results in the real world is going to be weak. If you doubt your abilities, if your commitment is shaken, your results and the life will be shaken. So that was the first thing. Develop a growth mindset, and you need to think big, think broad, and step by step strategy was provided. That was by Rahul. That was the first session. Okay, then immediately the second session on Tuesday, which was conducted, so it was with Akshay. Okay, so we invited Akshay with us, and he has conducted a topic with regards to how to get started with the programming. Okay, so step by step, simple, clear cut, guys, where we took some real time use case plus understood the IT market, the industry market, and somewhat so technical. So क्या हुआ guys? First mindset tuning, second technical में आ गए. ठीक है, so it's a overall culture. ठीक है, उसके बाद the third day we invited Supriya with us, and the topic was practice makes you perfect. Okay, nothing but it's all about, guys, your life is a combination of all these factors. So yeah, growth mindset, consistency, dedication, then technicality. So here we highlighted the section of how time, proper utilization of time will give you great value. And then yesterday we invited Sony with us, and the topic for the day was how will the food be influencing your decision making and will result in a day-to-day activities, and how your lifestyle wise somewhat changes are required to make a strong impact in this life. Okay, so food habits and all being taking care of that. Nothing but if you're seeing, we are trying to cover a lot of dimensions. Okay, and accordingly, today the session that we have with Shank. Okay, so some of you might already be knowing this guy. For those who don't, so today Shank topic is the importance of music in our life. Okay, So, guys, this person has been in music, okay? No matter how busy the life was, he has always given some time for the music and all that. And he really want to today touch some core essence of this thing. And maybe he might just sing a few songs as well for us. We don't know. Okay, so TK, Shank, over to you. But just before handing over to Shank, just a few words from my side. So this guy also joined the life transformation program as part of the season 2, okay,
Yeah.
which was happened like long time ago. I think April
It's
20.
going to be 1 year soon, bhai.
Yeah, it's going to get to 1 year, man. Yeah. So it's been like a lot of 8 months or so. Then he joined, and slowly and steadily, step by step, he worked on himself on a regular basis. Okay, and guys, everybody here face challenges. Okay, everybody, you, me, everyone. But there are some people who overcome challenges, who face them, who stop there, who solve it. Okay, and then again becomes consistent. So Shank has gone through that kind of a curve. Okay, there were some challenges, complexity. Life threw a lot of problems. And when those problems were coming, he stayed there, fought it, became, and very nicely came over it. Okay. And now he's very consistent. We are waking up every day, 5 a.m. in the morning, practicing hard and doing a lot of things basically. Okay. So, yes, Shank, over to you. And yeah, let's get started with the session. Yes.
So thank you, bhai, for inviting me for today's session. So
Hmm.
hello, all people. Good evening to all of you. So this is Deepak Mahapatra. Shank was my nickname. Okay. So a very good evening to all of you. I hope you all are doing well. So today, why I choose this topic about the music, because music is something which is very common to between all of us, right? There's something like there is the single person not there like who is not interested in music, like
Mhm.
not about you are not what about you learn. It's about key how you understand the music. It's not about learning, it's about how you understand and how you feel the music actually in your life. And when you really feel the real meaning of music na, then your life will be in different path and you ever imagine like you have in your past actually. So that's why I
Yes,
chose
yes,
this
yes.
topic about like the importance of music in our
And guys,
life.
you might already be aware, right? So Einstein, okay, who gave so many things to the world. So in his spare time, he used to play violin, okay, piano, and he used to spend his time over there. By that way, no matter how busy your life is, you will always have a calmness there. So when you are at peace, you will get more productivity. Okay, so people applied those kind of techniques. So yes, Shank, take it over. So music is something connected with everyone, and
Yeah.
it can really
and
be used for nice purposes. Yeah,
and the
take over.
thing is ki, like bhai said na, like it is the music is the kind of form like so many of instruments are putting together to form one kind of music. Okay, so it's like when we are inside our mother's room, we listen to our mother's heart. Okay, like beat. Okay, so that's also in music. Okay, our life
क्या बात
begins
है,
with a
क्या बात
beat. Okay, our
है.
life begins with a beat, and that beat na giving us the life which are which we are now living in this world. Okay, so the thing is ki, everything is around here now is consisting of like music, like nature is the greatest producer of music. Okay, whenever you crossing the road or whenever you just what about the, because crossing the road actually at that time,
Mhm.
when you feel the wind, if you feel the wind na, you just want to say something like, yes, whatever happens with you na, just let it be, just feel the nature and calm your mind and just relax. Nothing will gonna happen. Okay, it's just your mind, is all about your mind actually. Okay, so if you feel the song, whatever the song may be, okay, so your mind will be automatically drastically change at that moment. It will take some time, but still it will give a actual relaxation at the time, and nothing can beat music in any criteria actually. That is what,
Mhm.
bhai. So music is the
Guys, this is
greatest
very
producer.
good. This is very good. Okay, like music is in the air. Okay.
Yeah,
So if you, I think it would be really nice if you like wake up in the morning like 6 a.m. and all that. Okay, 6, 7, something like that. But just
and the
sit
birds are
where there
chirping.
is trees around you, maybe some birds, okay,
Yes.
and like pleasant environment, and just be there and observe. You will find a lot of things happening around you, and that itself makes you happy and soothing inside. Yes. Yeah. So that's very good, Shank.
So
Hmm.
So
So
this
how
is
is
what
your
the
association with music, Shank? How is your association with music? कहाँ से शुरू
actually
हुआ and how did the journey go?
the journey now, right? So it's not about ki I'm not a trained singer. Okay, I'm just learning from the singers which I'm singing, means listening from the YouTube or from TV. Okay, so when I still remember when I was in standard 3 or 4. Okay, I listened to music which are played in national TV. Means there was Doordarshan was there, na? At that moment, this Tata Sky was not there at that in our time. So national was there. So I still remember as Sunday 7 p.m. Sorry 7 a.m. Rangoli. Okay, so one episode was telecasted at that moment at that time. Okay, so in that what series na, so many songs are played. Means they just portray the song and they give us the meaning of that particular song, like Kishore Kumar's song, like Rafida's song, like what the singers want to say. Okay, so from that I was just learning, like yes, music is something. And from childhood actually my life has so many things are there actually. Okay, so I chose the music to heal my life, heal myself. Okay,
Heal
so
yourself. Okay.
yeah, so because see, whenever I'm sad right now also, okay, whenever I feel sad or whenever bad whatever bad thing happens with me na, I just feel calm. I just sit calm and just listen the music whatever I like. It's not and the thing is, you have to know, like there is so various kind of music are there. Okay, but you have to know that in which situation which music will heal you. Okay, means the thing is, you have to know the taste of music. Okay, then the music will work for you. Okay, like
Okay.
if I'm sad and
Hmm.
in that moment if I listen mere mehboob kayamat hogi, so my mind will be na, my mind will be कि जा गिर जा सो जा कुछ भी कर ले. Okay, so in that moment na, you need energy, so you can't listen that particular song. So the thing is कि you have to know that in which situation which song you should listen. Okay, in that situation you should have to listen like जो मेरे सपनों की रानी कब आएगी तू. Okay, like those things are there. Okay, so you have to
So
know the
basically,
taste of.
guys, yeah, basically the type of the music is going to
Yeah,
influence your mood.
yeah,
Okay. And you can really use the right kind of music to get in and out of different moods basically. ठीक है.
actually.
So कभी low point पे हो तो वहां पे कुछ exciting सुन लो तो ऊपर निकल जाएंगे. So you can really balance up your state of mind very nicely with music. Okay, so this is
And
good.
the thing is कि भाई music has the power. Music has the power to change your mind. It can be in the
Mhm.
positive way, it can be in negative way. In everything has pros and cons. Okay, so it's not about कि music has only positive things. Music has also negative side. Like right now the songs are there, like so many words are there which is not good for youngsters. But still they are listening those songs, which is not impacting good result. But still, because the catchy beats and the catchy what music, because of that they are listening those songs, but their taste is so bad actually. So the thing
Mhm.
is ki, so everything has a pro and a cons. It's all about us ki, which kind of music we want to listen. I'm the 80s person. Okay, so I love to listen the retro song and the thing which is at the deep meaning. So that's a music. So so after that now, when my childhood actually, so I learned so many things from TV. So I'm the greatest admirer of TV. Like the shows which are telecasted at that time. And after that my friends actually, man, my
नहीं, वेट वेट वेट
so,
थैंक अब ये टाइम पे कुछ एक इतनी बात हो रही है तो थोड़ा सा एक हो जाए यार कुछ तो ठीक है. समथिंग जो
okay.
मूड को रिलैक्स करने वाला कुछ तो. अब ये मत बोलना कि भाई कौन सा गाओ बोलो.
No, 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 no. Today I have selected songs by.
या सिलेक्टेड ना वेरी गुड. हाँ भाई बंदे ने आज काम करके आया है. वेरी
So the
गुड.
thing is, it's your favorite actually. Okay, it's a
या
calm music. Okay. हाँ,
so everybody in the house, okay, so Mr. Deepak Mahopatra, okay, Urf Shank is going to present some beautiful work from inside, okay. So let the music flow, let everybody deep down dig into the emotions. Let's go. Yep, yep,
so
yep,
why it's
yep,
your
yep.
favorite, huh? Once upon a time you said it's your favorite. Okay.
चलो चलो.
हाँ, मैंने दिल से कहा ढूंढ लाना खुशी,
Yay.
ना समझ पाया गम, तो ये गम ही सही। मैंने दिल से कहा ढूंढ लाना खुशी, ना समझ लाया गम, तो ये गम ही सही। बेचारा कहाँ जानता
हाँ.
था, खलिश है ये क्या खला है,
Woo.
शहर भर की खुशी से ये दर्द मेरा भला है। जश्न ये राज ना आए, मजा तो बस गम में आया है। मैंने दिल
Aha.
से कहा ढूंढ लाना खुशी, ना समझ लाया गम, तो ये गम ही सही।
Awesome, Shank. क्या बात है.
So the
Guys,
song actually, the song
हाँ.
actually portraying ki whatever is life is going on na, means you are, if you are in love, okay. I just want to bhai given some what
दे दे भाई, जो
summary
करना
about
है
the
कर
song.
ले, कर ले, जो करना है कर ले भाई.
तो मतलब क्या बोले तो, if you are in love, okay, and something has happened with you, okay, so it's not about ki means ये दर्द मेरा भला है, means the thing is, if you are truly in love na, just love, just do, just go for it, okay, don't think about others. If that love is give pain to you, still you have to love, because this is from that thing na, you are getting the emotion at that moment, okay, means uh,
ओके ओके,
okay, let
ठीक
it
है,
be that,
समझ गया
let it
समझ
be
गया समझ गया. ठीक है, गाने की मामन मत कर उसको एक्सप्लेन करके. Yeah, it was very peaceful, guys, and if you just listen to it, right, you will feel the calmness automatically coming. Okay, so when you're just listening to his words, put a smile on your face, enjoy it, and you'll feel that actually something is happening. Okay, and there is no music around. Okay, so there is no music, just words. And like not many people can actually create that environment जिनको actually music and art समझता है ना, so those people do that. And this is really good. So yes, Shank. Okay, so tell it something more. So how did you like? You said कि started with third, but how did you continue it? मतलब अभी now you are like बहुत बड़ा हो गया है, Shank, right? ठीक है. So
by
still you are associated, still you are practicing it and all. So how is it going? मतलब how did you stay connected? Many people lose their childhood related things in the past. Yeah.
Bhai, actually, I was very good in memory, means in those past kind of thing. Okay, so I never forget which the thing which has happened means in my past actually. Okay, so these are the good things which has happened with me.
Okay. Nice.
So in schooling, when I was in school. So people praise me a lot because they said ki you have a great voice, you have great voice, you have great voice. But I have never utilized that because due to some issues, I have never not practice. I'm not saying ki I'm not blaming to others because it's also my fault ki I did not train myself actually, but still at that moment I thought ki yes, this is not the right thing for right now, okay, so that's why, so people praise me a lot. I have surrounded with the good people, okay, so that's why they praise me a lot, and they motivate me like you have to sing, you have to sing, you have a great voice, and even my friends also gifted me a guitar and Casio. Okay, so I'm learning guitar. Okay, means the tunes, small tunes. So that's why it's like that
Nice. Nice.
surrounding.
Nice.
If your surrounding is good, na, then if your people will motivate you, na, then the spark will in your life will also means what add it. Okay, if you are in low or whatever is there, okay, so
Mm.
that's why I have a very small circle, but still in that circle everybody is my mine, okay, and they always push me like you have to do it, you have to do it, you have to do it, so that's why.
And guys,
And
देखो, this simple thing, this is applicable for anything else also. Okay,
yes,
so if there is some kind of like a support provided to you, or a direction or encouragement provided for whatever you do, so and then you
Yeah.
feel like doing it more and more and more. Okay, and यहाँ पे तो Shank का, then we are talking about passion, like he liked that right from childhood. Okay, and now like he then really like, it's not about ki doing something very grand and something, but he just likes doing it. Okay, he doesn't want to prove it to somebody, he enjoys doing that, and that's what he's living with, happiness and satisfaction. And this is so good, this is so good. Yes, Shank,
And
or
why? And the thing is, na, um, uh, always people said ki this is God gifted. Okay, I also too praise myself that yes, thank you God for giving me this talent. But if I'm not utilizing this, na, then nothing will happen. Nothing is
mm,
gonna happen actually. Okay, so everybody is having some talent. Okay, but you need to explore those things. Okay, if you can't explore yourself, then nobody will come to you and explore you. Okay, it's your life, and it's the one kind of life. Okay, so it's
and
your
further, Shag, you need to add this point as well. So even though you say it's God gifted and you have it naturally, but tell here the value of your practice for getting it through.
is why.
Yeah.
So for that, you have to utilize every single day. Like before, na, I'm not lying here, bhai. So before life transformation, I've never given myself time to for music actually. Okay, so if whenever I have some time now, and I always listen my previous songs, means whatever I sang in my graduation or plus two. Okay, whatever things are there, when songs are there, I have seen a lot of difference, because there is term na, practice makes you perfect. Nobody is perfect. Okay, but if you do practice na, then nobody can beat you. And it's not a need good deal like others to beat you. No, it's about how you overcome yourself. The biggest drawbacks of our life is us. Okay, if
Mm.
we draw a line for us now, and we are not trying to overcome that particular line, then nobody can defeat us, because we ourselves
True,
gonna
true,
defeat
true.
us actually. So that's
सही है,
the
सही
thing.
है.
And if you love, if you are doing something, if you love something, then just do. You can't wait for somebody, like if they don't push me, then I can't do. You can't do. But the spark na, it will come inside you. The little push will provided by the nature, automatically will gonna happen. Okay, if you don't, if I'm sleeping in my 24 hour, then after that na, nobody will gonna come to me and give me a job, right? If I'm not given my interviews, if not given practice, then the God will not come and sit my on a vocal tune and sing song for me. No, na. So that's why you have to learn, and learn from your mistakes, learn from your failures. When why you always said na कि ये बंदा मतलब हर वक्त खुद ही से मतलब क्या बोलते हो खामियां निकालता है. I was
Mm.
always means love to extract my the mistakes which I have doing my right now, because if you know
That's a big
where you are
thing.
doing
Mm.
mistakes now,
Yes,
if you
yes.
know where you are doing mistakes,
You
then
can
you are the
improve.
greatest
Mm.
learner.
Yes,
Yeah, bhai.
yes, yes. Yeah, then you will improve. Correct.
Yeah, bhai.
सही
Yeah.
है.
So the thing is कि not every,
नहीं नहीं,
like you
शैंक
said, na
शैंक,
bhai.
ठीक है, देख भाई, टू मच ऑफ वर्ड से हमारा दिमाग कुछ हो जाता है. वी नीड म्यूजिक टुडे, ठीक
Okay,
है.
bhai. I was very
ठीक है,
prepared for
तो
that.
या तो ठीक है, तो चलो गाइस, एवरीबॉडी इन द हाउस, तो शैंक इज नाउ गियरिंग अप फॉर द सेकंड सॉन्ग फॉर द डे. ओके,
uh,
शैंक, टेक इट ऑन.
okay, bhai. चाहे तुम कुछ ना कहो, मैंने सुन लिया
आहा.
के साथी प्यार का, मुझे चुन लिया ओ मैंने सुन लिया पहला नशा पहला खुमार नया प्यार है नया इंतजार कर लूं मैं क्या अपना ए दिले बेकरार मेरे दिले बेकरार तू
तू
ही
ही
बता
बता. आहा.
पहला नशा पहला खुमार उड़ता ही फिरूं इन हवाओं में कहीं या मैं झूल जाऊं इन घटाओं में कहीं, एक कर दूं आसमां और जमीन। कहो यारो क्या करूं क्या नहीं, पहला नशा
पहला
पहला
लूटा शान।
खुमार, नया प्यार है नया इंतजार, कर लूं मैं क्या अपना हाथ, ए दिल बेकरार मेरे दिल बेकरार, तू ही बता।
Awesome, guys, Shank, ये हाँ शैंक अभी राइट ना पब्लिक क्या कर रही रहेंगी नीचे राइट शैंक वी लव यू मैरी
Bye.
yeah Shank like live performances have you given any live performances Shank
Yeah, bhai, actually, I've done in my graduation period. Actually, I've
हाँ
done some stage show at that one time.
okay so
So
पब्लिक
not so
रिएक्ट
much.
कैसे करती थी पब्लिक कैसे रिएक्ट करती
They
थी
loved it, but they loved it because at that moment, I have some stage fear actually there. Okay, so I'm not enjoying at that moment.
अच्छा
But right
अच्छा
now, I just feel कि काश वो टाइम आ जाता फिर से मैं मतलब कूद पड़ता.
या अभी तो शैंक धमाल करेगा
So that's
okay
a that's
okay
a that's a right.
hmm.
So I've done the stage show, but and it gives me some experience about ki people also means at that moment I what realized ki yeah people also love my voice actually. So it gives me so much like
nice
I'm
nice
blushing
nice
right now. No, you can understand that moment. So that's why.
ए, दिख रहा है दिख रहा है दिख रहा है ये शैंक लिविंग इन ओल्ड मेमोरीज नॉटी नॉटी
Uh, so
okay
by that,
Shank tell me something about के you guys have some band group also right कुछ
yeah,
band भी
yeah.
बना सब या तो talk something about that कि कैसे वो composition and what do you guys मतलब कौन क्या धूम धड़ाका क्या चलता है
So, bhai, actually, we always do jamming actually. So for that, my friend actually do rap. Okay, and I'm the vocalist, and one of the friend is also there. Means he's a keyboard. Means matlab, the thing is ki uh, he writes songs. Okay, but due to I'm not a trained singer, so we can't do something explore something. But we are making the cover song. So the future plans are there. So right now, I'm the thing is that after LT na, I'm doing Riyaz also. Okay. So for that, I'm little bit strong. Means little not little bit strong. I'm little bit achieving something in classical thing also because
okay
classical is the base na. Classical is the base. So that's why
तो
I'm
कुछ
learning
सुनने मिलेगा
something.
क्या क्लासिकल में can we hear something in classical
Classical. Just
हम्म
a minute, bye. Huh. Just a minute, bye. Bhai, you remember the song "आओगे जब तुम हो साजना"?
हाँ 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 हाँ
Okay.
होंगे जब तुम साजना डडी डा 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 डा
Uh,
या गो ऑन
hmm, just a minute, भाई उसका actually lyrics मेरे को याद नहीं, sorry.
ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है
Uh,
I and like I like the attitude of Shank ठीक है तो he is not like a नौटंकी नखरे नहीं है ठीक है he is like I enjoy yes I'll sing पब्लिक को दुनिया भर का नौटंकी रहता है किच किच हाँ नहीं है बोल्ड yes Shank okay हाँ भाई पानी पीते रहे keep wiring your mouth
भाई, I learned this thing from you. Never ever lose the opportunity whenever you are getting.
क्या बात है
That's
बहुत
it.
ऊपर जाएगा बंदा बहुत ऊपर जाएगा हाँ सही है वेरी गुड नहीं सीरियसली मैन
Hmm. आओगे जब तुम हो साजना, आओगे जब तुम हो साजना, आंगना फूल खिलेंगे, बरसेगा सावन, बरसेगा सावन, झूम झूम के दो दिल ऐसे मिले हैं, आओगे जब तुम साजना आंगना फूल खिलेंगे नैना तेरे कजरारे नैनों पे हम दिल हारे हैं अनजाने ही तेरे नैनों ने वादे किए कई सारे हैं सांसों की ले मदम चले
आहा
तो से कहे बरसेगा सावन बरसेगा सावन झूम झूम के दो दिल ऐसे मिलेंगे आओगे जब तुम
भाई
साजना
साहब,
आंगना फूल खिलेंगे फूल खिलेंगे
awesome, शैंक फूल खिलेंगे बगिया में, शैंक बैठा है हमारे नदिया में. This is so good, man. This is so good. Okay, peaceful, relaxed, and yeah, it's really nice. Okay, tell something more about the band. You were talking about your band and वहाँ पे फिर classical भी you're practicing और क्या चल रहा है?
so the thing is कि भाई we are doing some like nowadays when getting some offers actually offers means what to perform some in opening show means whenever
Okay,
some openings are there na
this is
in
good.
that session so we are going in there so for that we
Okay.
are not getting money actually but we are getting experience okay and I love that experience so I'm just waiting for the moment actually I have mentioned some things okay so in future I'm going to explore those things
Hey,
so for
come
that
on.
for
वो वाला
this
ये
moment
टैंक ऐसे वाला कुछ लेके जाना ठीक है वो मेरी लॉन्ड्री का एक बिल वो गाना मेरे को रॉक ऑन वाला है ना तो आई जस्ट वांट टू परफॉर्म दैट सॉन्ग समडे ऑन स्टेज समवेयर ठीक है ना ना
भाई
ना 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 कैन यू सिंग दैट सॉन्ग
हाँ
हाँ
मोहित चांद भाई
या
वो
सिंग
वाला
दिस
ना
वन या
हम्म, हम्म,
मेरी
उसका
लॉन्ड्री का एक बिल एक आधी पड़ी नॉवेल ना 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 ना
भाई उसका स्टार्टिंग कौन सा था
पता
मेरे
है
आ आई एम नॉट गेटिंग दैट भाई पर्टिकुलर ये
अरे गूगल में बीच का वर्ड डाले तो बाकी का देता है वो
भाई
मेरी
वही तो
लॉन्ड्री का एक
मेरे
बिल रॉक ऑन जस्ट डू दैट
ओके
मेरी लॉन्ड्री
मेरे
का बिल
लॉन्ड्री है
रॉक
ना
ऑन
मेरा लॉन्ड्री
अरे कभी
हाँ
कपड़े
अरे
धोया
हाँ
करो
हाँ अरे फरहान अख्तर भाई
हाँ यार
आई
रॉक ऑन
थॉट
का गाना ना
ओह सॉरी आई थॉट कि मोहित चौहान सॉरी 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 फॉर
हम्म।
दैट पिछले 7 दिनों में सॉरी
हाँ पिछले 7 दिनों में मैंने खोया कभी खुद पे
तेरा
हंसा मैं और
मैं
कभी
कभी
खुद
खुद
पे
से आ, मेरी भाई उसका सुर कैसा था थोड़ा एक बार मतलब गाना गाइए तो भाई
खाली ये फ्लो है ठीक है
ताकि
मेरी
ताकि
लॉन्ड्री का एक बिल एक आधी पड़ी नॉवेल ना 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 ना
ना
ना
ना
ना
ना ना ना ना ना एक लड़की का फोन नंबर
नंबर
मेरे काम का एक पेपर ना
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 ना ना
ना
ना
ना
ना ना
मैं इसका मेरे
तेरा
साथ
हाँ आगे
भाई सॉरी उसका सुर मेरे को याद नहीं आ रहा
अरे अरे अरे
मेरे
कैसा
साथ
कैसा है रे शैंग तू
भाई सॉरी भाई मेरे मेरे
ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है कमिंग बैक इट्स ओके
आगे
it's okay ठीक है okay fine so yeah so right now you're getting some opportunities offers here and there also क्या
yeah
ठीक है
so I'm actually
that's very good hmm.
so the thing is actually right now na I'm focusing on the riyaz actually I
Hmm.
just want to be perfect not perfect but improving day by day I just want to make myself nobody can ever imagine so
क्या
that's
बात
right
क्या बात है
so that's so the thing is and the why do you know about the meaning of saregama?
नहीं यार ऐसे मीनिंग वाइज तो कुछ नहीं यार हाँ
So there is a meaning actually in classical means vocalist. Okay, so for sa
okay
it means sakar, means the param brahm. Okay,
hmm.
re means the rishi muni. Because these are the chantings. Okay, they are not the thing which the humans are created. No, These are the chantings which means the Lord which have given us. So the Re say Rishi Muni. Okay. Ga. Ga se means Gandharv. Okay. Ma. Ma se, sorry. Huh. Ma se means what? Manipal means Raja. The kings are there, na? Means the flow is there कि सा से आरंभ और नी से खत्म. Means सा से साकार, नी से निराकार. Okay. So in that flow and pause से प्रजा means सा रे गा मा पा धा नी सा sa ni dha pa ma ga re sa. This is the best thing actually for in our music. So this is what I'm just focusing also right now because we are just change the what the wordings are there. Okay, sa re sa ga ma ma pa. So right now I'm just want to pro in this thing. So that's why
Okay, okay,
daily
okay.
after morning meditation, I'm just jumping into the balcony means the roof, and there I do riyaj.
Very good, very good, very good. And Shank, a question here. Do you understand this music के वो जो notations होते हैं?
अलंकार भाई
हाँ, वो पता नहीं उसको क्या, but those
क्या भाई
notations like वो जो भी ऊपर नीचे and all that. हाँ,
या
that's
नो
complex.
भाई
Hmm.
हाँ actually I'm just learning from the songs which I'm listening every day in my daily life actually.
Hmm.
I'm not pro actually in that means I have never achieved that area
नहीं नहीं
but
वो
still
करना पड़ेगा. ओके, ठीक है.
yeah
I tried studying them once. ठीक है, in my past. अब मेरे को तो आता भी तो कुछ नहीं है, but yeah, I just saw that कि कैसे, and it's complicated. ठीक है.
yeah
वो
means
जो
by
pattern, I
which
think
I've
the important thing where it gets is like pattern. Okay, thak
yeah but yeah
thak thak
like
thak, and in the same time duration two times. Thak
Sare,
thak.
like
हाँ.
by harmonium is there, na? They
Hmm.
just played means the sur is changing at that moment. Sa re ga ma pa da ni sa. This is the highest change. Sa ni da pa ma ga re sa. ऐसे हम बीट पे मतलब वैसे करके मतलब हम उसको मतलब क्या बोले तो मतलब उसका हायर ऑक्टेव एंड लोअर ऑक्टेव ऐसे मतलब चूज
Yeah,
करते हैं तो
Kanish is saying something here, scale बोल के. हाँ तो yes, and it's
स्केल हाँ
complicated. ठीक है.
yeah but actually it's complicated
Yeah, it's
and the
tricky.
thing is कि when we are in the lower note na and we are going to the higher note there the if you are not practicing na then your voice will break at that moment
अच्छा.
okay so
Hmm.
that's why like the thing is कि तुझ संग बैर लगाया ऐसा रहा ना मैं फिर अपने जैसा हो रहा ना मैं फिर अपने जैसा मेरा नाम इश्क तेरा नाम इश्क मेरा नाम इश्क तेरा नाम इश्क मेरा नाम इश्क तेरा नाम इश्क मेरा नाम तेरा नाम मेरा नाम इश्क ये लाल इश्क ये मलाल इश्क लाइक लोअर नोट से हायर नोट जब जाते हैं ना at that moment you have to learn like you have to balance the note actually the variation you have to know
Hmm.
the where to balance the thing actually
Nice, nice, nice. Okay, and tell us something about opera. ठीक है. तो opera, हाँ, वहाँ पे क्या चल
हाँ
रहा है?
opera bhai is like you have to sing from like your if whatever you are singing na bhai you should have to sing from your chest okay like lungs and chest like you have to sing from your abdomen okay so when you do that na then it will come naturally and if you do give pressure right here na in the vocal tune then it will like it will give some like what it's a sounding wrong okay so
अच्छा.
you have to sing from your chest and the stomach actually stomach उसको बोलते हैं पेट से गाने के लिए हा ये वाला हा आ तो ये आ ये अपन मतलब मैं यहाँ पे
Okay.
वोकल्स मतलब टोन्स मतलब गले से गा रहा हूँ
Okay.
Yes, this is the point is here right here na, it will give the increase, means it will boost up your volume. It is not for
Hmm.
the singing, no. You have to sing from your stomach.
Okay.
Okay, when
कुछ
you
try ना या can you just try something? Whatever you're practicing, we don't want anything concrete. Yeah.
which one भाई?
Opera related.
भाई ओपेरा का कुछ ट्राई नहीं किया, उसका बस सीख रहा हूँ भाई, उसका बहुत भाई बहुत
नहीं
लंबा
नहीं नहीं
जर्नी
नहीं,
है उसका।
तो ट्राई भी नहीं, whatever you are learning, तो कुछ तो एक साउंड तो निकलेगा ना। हाँ। Okay.
The song is
ए द वॉइस फ्लो इज प्रीटी नाइस, बीच में ब्रेक्स कहाँ पे भी नहीं थे। हाँ, सो नाइस,
so for
यू आर
that
एबल
now
टू
भाई,
मैनेज इट नाइसली देन। हाँ, आई थिंक
so
इसी
for
का
that
जब
now
एडवांस वर्जन तो बहुत अच्छा रहेगा फिर। हाँ, दिस इज गुड।
so so for
हम्म।
that now bhai, you have to practice a lot. Practice a lot means lot.
हम्म।
Opera song is not means an ordinary practice. You have to learn, like you have to open your voice, like you have to open your mouth so big, like ah, जैसे कि वॉइस मतलब आने के लिए ना बहुत स्पेस मिले, एंड
ओके
द जॉ शुड बी लाइक नॉट आ ओ आ आ, ऐसे ऐसे खुलाना
ओके
चाहिए, ऐसे
ओके
नहीं,
ओके।
ऐसे रहता। तो
सुपर
यही
सुपर
कुछ
सुपर।
छोटा छोटा चीज भाई सीख रहा हूँ अभी।
नहीं, दैट्स
तो भाई
गुड, दैट्स गुड।
एनीथिंग योर फेवरेट सॉन्ग भाई, भाई उसका सुर पता होना चाहिए मेरे को, नहीं तो फिर से
नहीं देखो यार, देखो आई डोंट हैव एनी स्पेसिफिक लाइकिंग्स के ये सॉन्ग वो सॉन्ग, ठीक है।
भाई सच कह रहा है दीवाना,
या चलो। हम्म।
भाई पसंद है तो क्योंकि
अरे
मेरे को
अरे,
ना मतलब
गुड गुड, सच कह रहा है दीवाना, दिल दिल ना
भाई काश
किसी
आपकी तरह
से
मेरे को
लगा।
सुर भी याद रहता, मेरे को किसी का सुर याद नहीं रहता, मैं सिर्फ मतलब रिकॉल कर लेता हूँ, वो याद
मेरे
आता है
को
तो।
स्टार्टिंग के 2 स्टेटमेंट याद रहते, उसके बाद फ्लैट। दिस इज व्हाट इट इज। दिल ना किसी से लगाना, मैंने हर लम्हा। कम ऑन चेक, लेट्स
या
गो।
हाँ, सच कह रहा है दीवाना, दिल दिल ना किसी से लगाना, सच कह रहा है दीवाना, दिल दिल ना किसी से लगाना, झूठे है यार की वादे सारे, झूठे है यार की कसमें, मैंने हर लम्हा जिसे चाहा, जिसे पूजा, उसने यारो मेरा दिल तोड़ा तोड़ा, तन्हा तन्हा छोड़ा, सच कह रहा है दीवाना, दिल दिल ना किसी से लगाना,
नाइस।
मौसम मौसम था सुहाना बड़ा, मौसम मौसम, मैंने देखा उसे हुआ मैं पागल, बस पल भर में मौसम मौसम था सुहाना बड़ा, मौसम मौसम, मैंने देखा उसे हुआ मैं पागल, बस पल भर में आके बसी है वो मेरे दिल में, जिसकी कमी है अब जीवन में, वो दूर है मेरी नजरों से, क्यों उसे मैं चाहूं, ओ सच कह रहा है दीवाना, दिल दिल ना किसी से लगाना, झूठे हैं यार की वादे सारे, झूठे हैं यार की कसमें, मैंने हर लम्हा जिसे चाहा, जिसे पूजा, उसने यारो मेरा दिल तोड़ा तोड़ा, तन्हा तन्हा छोड़ा।
नाइस 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 नाइस। ऐसे ही गाते रहे, कोई छोड़ के नहीं जाएगा। कोई दिल तोड़ के नहीं जाएगा. Yes, yes,
So,
yes.
so
Yeah,
why
Shank.
the thing? So
Hmm.
there is so much things why you can learn from music. It's not about every time we are not listening the song to sing. Okay. So every time we just have to feel the song, what the song lyricist wants to portray through his song. Okay. Like there is so much various of songs are there when we are sad or we are in jolliest mode. So whenever we sing that song, whenever we are listening that song, na, we just place ourselves in that moment, means in that particular area. Like that moment, na, if you are not a singer too, you just means what? You just have to feel that song. Means like I don't know about something particular song like you have sang the Farhan Akhtar song. Na, I didn't remember that particular song, but still I just what क्या बोलते हैं उसको भाई गुनगुना दिया उसको ठीक है कि लाइक हाँ ऐसा होगा हाँ 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 भाई व्हेन यू सिंग ना यू जस्ट फील कि यार एक दिन स्टेज पे जाके उसको परफॉर्म करूंगा तो
Hmm.
मतलब कि क्या बोले तो music is something because if you feel that particular song na, then you will remember you can understand like what the lyricist want to say there
Hmm. ठीक
so
है,
that's
ठीक है.
the thing that,
Okay, so Shank. Okay, so taking it towards some closure. Okay.
okay
So okay, what would be your suggestion to listeners right now? ठीक है, कि about music related, what would you like to suggest कि how to include this as part of your regular life? And in what kind of emotions would you prefer कि generally अभी stress बहुत लोगों को रहता है, right? So what
yeah
do you
bhai, yeah
suggest just to have a peace of mind? एक suggestion based on your personal experience. So as a conclusion, as a takeaway, which people can really apply because tension सब लोगों को है, worries है
yeah
सबको. So in a lifestyle, what they can do to really be comfortable because of music?
sorry so the first thing na bhai when you wake up at your morning in your morning on morning actually okay so the first thing you should have do something like don't put your pick your phone okay like you just go outside just feel the nature okay the breeze and the sound of birds okay the sounds of the things which are surrounding with us na the thing they are trying to say something to you like this is your new day don't put your past today okay don't bring your past today okay right
Mm,
now just feel the moment you just wake up na just feel the surrounding like how the beautiful nature is and how the beautiful creature you are the human being god's greatest creature okay so don't waste his work okay by thinking about your past by thinking about the mistakes which you have done yesterday think about today how can you do the today how can you do today better okay so your future will remember you okay
nice,
जो हो
nice.
गया वो हो गया you have
Mm,
no control over that but जो होने वाला है और जो होने मतलब होगा it will you are the responsible for that okay so after that now just go to the bathroom and just give a proper shower and just what just leave the every moment whatever you are doing like I am just right now I'm just talking about myself means my right now okay so I'm not thinking about like my mistakes like what I'm doing right now I'm just speaking my heart from my heart okay like whatever is right I will speak whatever is wrong okay let it be I'm not thinking about that okay I'm doing so many mistakes but still I'm not thinking about that I'm just believing myself like yes if I'm doing right then the result will give me a right okay if my intention is wrong then the result will always be wrong okay
mm,
so there is no second thing about second thought about that okay and the thing when you are going to sleep now so put your phone okay just play some calm music like uh flute is the best greatest my favorite flute and piano okay it gives you the mood and at that moment now you just feel ki oh god thank you for today for giving me the chance to live my life okay and be grateful whatever you have because in life you can't achieve everything but if you know how to be happy in small happiness na then your life will become give you so many of happiness and you can't even imagine. So छोटे से मतलब खुश रहना सीखो, तो जब बड़ा आए ना उससे मतलब क्या बोले तो ग्राउंड टू अर्थ रहना पड़े, मतलब ये नहीं कि मतलब हाँ मेरे को सब कुछ मिल गया, नो, nobody can achieve anything, everything, sorry, everything, okay,
True, true,
but
true,
still
true.
they're achieving something, but still
Nice.
they're achieving
Yeah.
something, so why can't
Yes.
you?
Yes. Yes. ठीक है.
So the thing is
So
ki you
very
just have to
nicely
believe in
said.
yourself,
Yeah.
and whenever you are,
Yeah. Very
and
nicely
whenever you
said.
are
So
feel
guys.
depression or kind of,
Okay.
हाँ
Right.
भाई,
Right.
नहीं भाई,
Right.
continue.
थोड़ा सा लैग चल रहा है. ओके. सो
Sorry भाई.
फाइन. सो देखो शैंक का सिंपल फंडा गाइस. ओके. सो स्टार्ट ऑफ द डे शुड हैपन विथ पीस. End of the day should happen with peace. The remaining of the day will take care of itself. Okay. And don't start in a rush. Don't start with tension, worries. Enjoy nature. Feel happy. Okay. Put a smile on your face. Enjoy your beginning of the day. Feel that you can do something great today. Don't be worried about what went wrong yesterday. Focus like, okay, you still have today. What can you fix it? Okay, how can you fix it? Be relaxed. And then while you're going to sleep, फिर हो जाएगा, दिन बैठ जाएगा guys. Your attitude, the starting matters, remaining fixes itself. And during the night, peaceful, gratitude, dil se, ठीक है? Mistakes are mistakes. You are you. You cannot hate yourself because of the mistakes which you do. You have to first accept this factor. You can never hate yourself, guys. Okay. If you hate yourself now, you will make your life more hell. You will not grow. You will give up. You will do a lot of problems here. Okay. So guys, believe in yourself, take care of yourself, and have a nice and amazing time. Okay.
Yeah, bhai, and the thing is, bhai, have you ever sit at river banks?
क्या?
रिवर बैंक में कभी बैठे हो भाई, मतलब रिवर साइड
River
में?
banks में, हाँ, yes, yes, yes.
हाँ, the thing is कि whenever you sit there ना, you never imagine like what is happening after that. Okay, if you focus at that moment ना, if you feel that particular moment, then the river, the sound of river, actually nowadays so many noises are there, right? Okay, but still, if you are going in a calm place, okay, the sound of water and the birds, it will give some relaxation to your mind.
Right, right.
Actually our mind needs that. Okay, so take
Mm.
some break from your life, go explore something to nature, from nature, because
True,
nature has
true, true.
everything,
Yes,
whatever you want. So
yes.
don't
Okay.
be so busy.
Yeah. Okay, guys. So just to conclude, everyone. Okay. So, guys, let's take some deep, long breaths. Inhale and exhale, and be peaceful, everybody. Okay, and then we'll close. So, 7 times we would be deeply inhaling. Observe the air moving in your body, and exhale and relax, and feel satisfied with today. Feel satisfied with your life. Let's do this exercise 7 times, guys. Let's do it. Close your eyes and do it. And with every exhale, let the tension release out of your body. Get relaxed and peaceful. And with inhale, inhale joy, happiness, and satisfaction.
You know what, by our life is about with the seven sur, like up and down, up and down, up and down. But when we begin a sa ni drop, okay, so this is how our life is going on, means up and down, up and down. Without up and down na, there is no what, मजा नहीं आता जिंदगी में भाई. So if it is a straight line ना, then it will not give you that much of peace. अगर सब कुछ पा लोगे तो जीने का कोई मतलब there is no reason to live a life if there is nothing. Okay,
Yeah. There
so
was a
try.
movie actually. There was a
Yeah,
movie
bro.
based on this concept. It was a pretty weird movie. Ki, okay, a person uh, he gets into a situation जहाँ पे he's having the best bungalow, the best luxury, ठीक है? He got a job जहाँ पे बहुत पैसा है, ठीक है? Where you don't even have to work hard. Basic काम करेगा like okay एक दिन ही काम करेगा पूरे महीने का पैसा मिल जाएगा, ठीक है? Enough money, good house, good bungalow, and now initially he enjoys it, but slowly that life starts becoming frustrating for him. Okay, so that's what, if there is everything coming easy, there is no struggle, there is no ambition, there is nothing to go for, nothing to put efforts into, then life really becomes a question like what are you trying to do? And then you'll feel that frustration inside you. Okay, you will feel irritated with life. So jo ups and downs rehte hai na, that's where guys problems, happiness, life is a combination of all of that. You cannot just be happy forever. Tension chahiye life mein. That gives you the spark and the journey. Guys, you will be living for whatever time it is, right? 80, 90, whatever it is on the planet. So uske liye ye up and down is required to run through this journey. And this is a beautiful system. But the point is you have to keep learning. There has to be a passion. Chalte rahenga. The engine keeps running. Okay. And yeah, life is entertaining with that. Okay. So nicely pointed out, Shank, and thank you everybody for this
Bhai,
evening.
last song.
Yes, 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 man. Let's bring it on. The last song for the day, everybody. Yep, yep, yep.
हाँ, किसे पूछूं है ऐसा क्यों बेजुबां सा ये जाए खुशी के पल कहाँ ढूंढूं बेनिशां सा वक्त भी यहाँ है जाने कितने लबों पे गिले हैं जिंदगी से कई फासले हैं बस जीते हैं सपने क्यों आंखों में लकीरें जब छूते इन हाथों से यूं बेवजह जो भेजी थी दुआ वो जाके आसमां से यूं टकरा गई के आ गई है लौट के सदा जो भेजी थी दुआ वो जागे आसमां से यूं टकरा गई के आ गई है लौट के सदा सांसों ने कहा रुख मोड़ दिया कोई राह नजर में ना आए धड़कन ने कहा दिल छोड़ दिया कहाँ छोड़े इन जिस्मों के साए यही बार बार सोचता हूँ तन्हा मैं यहाँ तेरे साथ साथ चल रहा है यादों का समा जो भेजी थी दुआ वो जागे आसमां से यूं टकरा गई के आ गई है लौट के सदा
क्या बात है Shank. I was actually completely listening to your words and attaching it. ठीक है? So I was not focusing much on कि कैसे क्या. I was like connecting with it. ठीक है? I was picturizing the way you were singing. कि okay भेजी थी दुआ आसमान में गई टकरा गई रास्ता नहीं है and all that. I was actually connected. So yeah, that's pretty good, man. Thank you, Shank,
thank
for this
you
amazing time. Really means a lot, and it was so
bye
beautiful. Yeah, seriously.
I hope I have given some valuable thing today.
Yeah, it's a pretty nice hour, man. And it's a Friday ending happening with a peaceful smile, with a calmful mind. And yeah, that's a nice way to end the week, basically. Okay.
भाई भाई लाइक यू ऑलवेज सेड ना कि मतलब क्या बोले तो सैंग हरदम तू मतलब क्या बोले तो एंड में मतलब सैड वाला गाना सुना के अपन को सैड कर रही है, ये हुआ नहीं ना?
नहीं 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 नहीं, this was pretty good man. नहीं, the overall session was pretty nice. ठीक है, so thank you Shank for making this time out, and yeah, it was pretty amazing man. ठीक है, so करते
थैंक
रहो,
यू
and
भाई,
life is really good because Shank गाते रहता है and he is associated with us, so this is nice place to, good to have you. Okay,
थैंक
good to have you, and keep rising, never give up. Okay, keep rising, keep always bouncing back. Life में challenges है, जो भी चाहिए, stay committed and earn it all. ठीक है,
यू,
so
यस भाई,
create your own mark on this planet. Thank you Shank, and thank you
थैंक यू भाई,
everybody.
थैंक यू
Yes,
एवरीबॉडी।
yes, and everybody, thank you for giving your time, and the 5-day quick workshop which we were doing daily 9:30, where everybody came and shared some value. But guys, applying in the life is going to make the difference, not just listening, not just talking about it. So if you start living by these principles, that's where the magic happens. Okay, so thank you all, and keep applying, keep growing. See you guys tomorrow morning 5 a.m.
थैंक यू भाई, गुड
everyone.
नाइट, बाय बाय।
Good night, good night, good night. See you tomorrow. Bye, bye, bye.
यस भाई, बाय।